Okay, so now we're going to have a look at some of the things that we should be considering when placing our orders. First of all, we've got EPDM tape, which is used to go behind the joints of all of our boards. Secondly, we've got colour match silicons, which we've got available in all 21 colours. Saw blades, these help to keep down the dust and actually have a much longer life than normal TCT blade. Hardie colour paints, which you use for touching up all the edges. Very useful things, gecko gauges, help to set out the boards. Fixing screws. Hardie panel screws, these screws are stainless steel and are all colour matched to the boards, so if you are going to have any screws that are going to be seen, worth considering. Adhesive. Guillotine, which is very, very useful for cutting the boards. Breathable membrane, which should always be placed behind the cladding. And then we'll go on to have a look at our range of easy fit trims. Obviously, as you've seen in previous videos, we've got our corner trim, which allows us to hide the edges of the boards. This is a 90 degree external corner. We then have a 90 degree internal corner, 135 degree external corner for the bay, and 135 internal bay corner. All the same principle, all going to hide the edges of the boards. Our drip trim, which is useful above the top windows and also at the bottom of vertical cladding. Edge channel, which is again useful around windows, up gables, at the end of runs. Our top finishing trim, this is very useful for hiding the screws for fixing the last boards, which you'll see in other videos. 40 by 40 angle, again we keep a full range, 21 colours in this angle, can be used for many different things. Then we have our vent trims. This is our bottom vent. And the thing to consider here is obviously the size of batten that you're using. It comes with 25, 38 and 50mm batten cover. The same for your top vent. And then this is a Hardie corner made by the manufacturers that you butt the board into, and Hardie internal corner.